Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shopify email for dropshipping updates, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Shopify website by typing in www.shopify.com. If you don't already have an account, select the Start Free Trial button to create one. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and store name. After creating your account, log in to your Shopify dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, click on Notifications. Look for the Email Marketing section. Here, you will find options related to Shopify email subscriptions. Select the checkbox to enable email updates for dropshipping offers and news. Scroll down to find the Save button and click it to save your changes. After this, return to the main dashboard. Next, find the Apps option in the sidebar. Click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for Shopify Email. Once you find the app, click on it to see more details. Select the Add App button to install Shopify Email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, explore the app to customize your email preferences. You can select which types of updates you want to receive. If you wish to start your email campaign, follow the prompts to design your email. Finally, review your subscription settings regularly to stay updated on any changes. Now you're all set to receive updates from Shopify email for your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.